Hey everybody, it's your girl Charisma coming in with another one. Yes, so we're going to finally do the install because as you can see, I got my flat base and I got my wake cap on to do the install. And yes, I will be using this wig that I made yesterday in a video that y'all seen in a couple of those videos. So we're about to do an install and I will be using this. So when I come back, you're just gonna see the finished results. So your girl will be right back. Stay tuned. And yes, this is the final look. And I just finally completed it. It didn't take that long.